Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. And yes guys, today I'm going to do a video you guys have been requesting me, guys. Every comment I get, like in every 10 comments, there's a 1 or 2 comments asking me how I did my eyebrows, or one saying like, oh, your eyebrows are on point. So I decided to do an eyebrow tutorial. I had done it before, but it was not that clear. That was my first video. I was nervous, so I didn't do it well. So today I'm hoping to do it very well, God willing, because I'm not that perfect, you guys. So we are learning together. All right, let's do this.
Hi guys, Maureen.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh, subscribe to her channel. Show her support as much as you love me. Show her support. Love you.
So I'm going to use a Davis eye pencil number 18, then 2 spoolie brushes, and eyebrow concealer number 108. Then these 2 brushes, one is to clean out my eyebrows, the other one is to powder my eyebrows because I have oily skin. I'm going to use black opal powder. So yeah. So after doing that, I'm going to brush my eyebrows with this spoolie brush to give it a shape. Then make sure your eye pencil is very sharp. Then follow the shape of your eyebrows up to the end, and make sure your tail is very thin. Create a very thin line. Yeah. Then on the upper side, I'm going to start it from the center because I want the front part to remain very, very natural. I want it to be faded. So after that, I'm going to fill in the gaps. As you can see, I have some gaps very lightly. I don't like a dark eyebrow, I like a light eyebrow, and yes, as you can see, it looks okay. Then on the front part, I'm going to do some straws, very light straws. Yeah, and the eyebrow look like it's complete, but we have not even concealed it. Yes. Then we are going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow. So stay tuned. So as I told you, I'm going to use an eyebrow concealer number 108 to clean out my eyebrows, and this brush I'm going to take one of my spoolie brushes to brush in my eyebrows to make it look so natural and faded. Continue repeating the process until you are comfortable with the front part. Yeah, then I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eyebrow, and before that I'm going to use then the other spoolie brush. Look at that, there's a spoolie brush. I know you have never used this part, so I use this part to brush up my eyebrows. It makes it look so natural. Look at that, guys. What? Wow, and we are done with that eyebrow. Then we are going to repeat the same process with the other eyebrow. And we are done, guys. It was that simple, and we are looking flawless with the eyebrows. You can even go somewhere without any makeup as long as your eyebrows are on point. Yeah, I hope guys have tried and you have learned something. If you like the video, please comment down below, give it a thumbs up, tell me if you enjoyed it, and give me any comment about any other video you want me to do. And yes, see you in the next video. And please, if you have reached here and you have not subscribed yet, please just subscribe. It won't cost you anything. I hope to see you next time. Thank you, guys. for watching.